Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the aspect ratio of your KOORUI 24E4. To adjust the aspect ratio on the display, click on M button to go to the menu. Then click on the right arrow until you get to aspect and click on E to enter that submenu. Now you can set it to auto, 16:9, which I'm currently on, or 4:3, which looks sort of like that, but also it's pretty worth adjusting in settings of your computer. How should it look? Because now it looks sort of stretched and we don't really like that. So if you don't like it, you can simply go to system, go to display, select the display you want to adjust it on. Of course, the number 2 is my KOORUI. You can identify it as well with identify button. You can see it's number 2. And now if I go to display resolution, I can set it to actually something that matches the 1440, maybe not that, but yeah, there will be something that will match it. I don't really remember the resolutions here, the ones that are appropriate, but yeah, at some point I'll probably manage to do it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.